Welcome to the Unova Excel for HR course. In this chapter, we'll learn how to use conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel to highlight important HR data automatically. Let's get started. To begin, open your Excel sheet containing employee data such as performance ratings, attendance percentages, or salary figures. Select the range of cells you want to format, for example, the column showing attendance percentages. Next, go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon and click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down menu, you'll see several options such as Highlight Cells rules, Top-Bottom rules, data bars, color scales, and icon sets. Let's start with Highlight Cells rules. If you want to highlight employees with attendance below 75%, select the range and choose Highlight Cells rules less than. Enter 75 in the dialog box and choose a color format, such as light red fill with dark red text. Click OK, and Excel will automatically highlight all employees with attendance below 75%. This helps HR instantly identify users who need attention or reminders for attendance compliance. Next, let's explore top-bottom rules. If you want to highlight the top 10 performers or employees with the highest ratings, choose Conditional Formatting Top-Bottom Rules Top 10 items. Enter the number of employees you want to highlight, for example, 5, and select a color format. Excel will instantly highlight the top 5 ratings, making it easier to spot top talent or award winners. You can also use color scales or data bars for visual analysis. Color scales apply a gradient of colors, where darker shades represent higher values and lighter shades represent lower values. Data bars add small colored bars inside cells to give a quick visual comparison of numbers, like salary differences or leave balances. These visual cues make your HR dashboards more intuitive and insightful. If you want to remove or adjust existing rules, go back to Conditional Formatting Manage Rules. Here, you can edit, delete, or create new rules based on your reporting needs. This gives you complete control over how your HR data is highlighted. That's it. You now know how to use conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel to quickly identify key patterns and insights in your HR data. Similar visual highlights are available in Unova HRMS dashboards, where important HR metrics like attendance gaps or performance ratings are automatically flagged for quick attention. Thank you for watching.